Shake it up, baby, now shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. We'll put it in fast money.
Hey
guys, it's Jen.
And Jeff. So, I don't know about you guys, but it's almost impossible to find any hand sanitizer, no toilet paper.
No toilet
for whatever
paper.
reason. But we thought, what if we could make hand sanitizer with just Dollar Tree stuff?
Right.
Because we love the Dollar Tree.
We love the Dollar Tree and everything's $1.
So, Jen, what's the first one?
This one has 3 ingredients. So we got tea tree oil and then
This one's called Muscle Ease.
it has sweet almond oil in it, wintergreen, eucalyptus, peppermint, ginger, black pepper, turmeric.
They're roll-on essential oils.
Yeah, and some essential oils can be expensive.
And aloe, of course.
And aloe.
And we need something to put it in, so I found the perfect hand sanitizer.
Perfect. Look,
This is
perfect
perfect for your
size.
hand sanitizer. This is travel dressing containers. These are perfect.
Yes, they are perfect.
So we got a bunch of these. Travel dress.
For
yeah.
dressing, for salad dressing.
Yeah, travel dressing containers. These are perfect for making your own hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking one of the little containers and I'm gonna fill it about halfway up with aloe.
And while she's doing that, these things, they come on a roller. So I'm gonna pop the roller off. Now, I'm gonna take a screwdriver and pop this off of there. I think this will work.
Okay, so our recipe, it says 2 to 3 drops, but this, Jeff popped the roller off of this, so.
What about a dropper?
Look at you.
Handy
Is there
dandy
anything
dropper.
you don't have, Jeff?
Right.
Okay, so we're gonna do,
I'll pop this off.
we're gonna do 2 to 3 drops. I guess it doesn't have to be.
No, we're making it our own.
Okay, so I done 3 drops of this, the tea tree oil.
I'll do like 4 or 5 drops of this.
Yeah, we'll do.
Since it's got all kinds
put
of
the
good
lid
stuff.
on this
Here, I'll
one.
put the cap back on it.
Okay,
the roller.
and then this.
That has like lavender and all that in it.
Let's see. It smells good. You can smell the peppermint and stuff in it. So we'll put a few more drops of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put 5. Okay, now we're gonna put the lid on it and we'll just shake it up.
Shake it all about.
I just love these little containers. They're the cutest. Okay.
We didn't put it all the way up to get it around to shake it up. Yeah, so we'll shake it. Shake it up, baby, now shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. We'll put it in fast money.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to try it out? Give me your paw.
I'm scared. Just a little.
Oh.
That's a lot. Is this supposed to... Let's see. Oh, it smells so good.
Does it smell really good? Okay. Oh, it does smell good. Yeah.
Oh, I feel so clean.
It smells so clean, don't it? Like it doesn't
It does
smell like.
really clean. It don't evaporate as good.
No.
Because I think, what if we add a little alcohol to it from the other recipe? I mean, that feels pretty good, but it's just a touch sticky.
It's a little bit sticky, and I don't really love.
If I didn't have anything, this would be perfect.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
let's do that same thing, but let's add a little bit of alcohol to it.
Okay.
And then we'll fill this up a little fuller too. Okay, so I did aloe, and then I'm gonna do some tea tree. Did you do like 4 or 5 drops? I'm gonna do like 1.
The tea
2,
tree I didn't
3,
put as much.
4, 5. Okay, well we'll just do 5.
This one I put 5. The
Okay.
other one.
This one is the one that has all the different kinds in it, doesn't it? Let's
No.
do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 then.
You did 9. You snuck one in.
8 plus 1 for good luck. Okay, so now let's add the alcohol. We're just gonna pour, this is 91%, and I'm just gonna pour it like, not all the way. So, ooh.
I feel like that's gonna be runny.
That looks good though, don't it? Oh, you feel like it's gonna be running?
Yeah, don't
Isn't
you?
hand sanitizer running? No, it's not.
No, it's kinda.
Maybe this will be a hand sanitizer fail. Maybe you shouldn't do that much.
Shake it, baby, now shake it, baby.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is add just a little bit more aloe.
Thicken it up a little.
Thicken it up a little bit. Or you're gonna put this in your purse and take it with you all the time.
I love those little containers. They're
These
so
containers are
cute.
perfect.
Yeah, they're perfect. That looks better. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
so
give it a try.
we're gonna try this out. This looks right.
Oh, that looks good.
Let's see.
It smells more like
You what? Do you hold it up there?
Oh, I rubbed
look.
mine in.
Yeah. It drips like the
hand
sanitizer.
sanitizer, yeah. Smells like alcohol.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of alcohol in that.
alcohol's quite-
cleanliness. Oh no!
Yeah.
Now you smell it after the alcohol's dry.
Oh,
now
yeah.
smell your hands.
Then you can smell the oils.
Oh,
yeah.
it's not sticky. Not too bad. It dried up. Like that's a good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's. Hey,
I'm a
for
fan.
a
I'm gonna
couple
throw this in
dollars
my
from
purse.
the Dollar Tree. So this is with alcohol,
Without alcohol.
except she should have the alcohol. She likes the vodka. Just kidding.
Trey.
Great, awesome. It may not be the best. You know, it's
It's not Purell, but
Right.
I mean,
if you can't find it. I mean,
and we could not seriously find hand sanitizer anywhere.
and I'm sure you guys can't either.
Yeah.
So, this is better than nothing.
Right.
And actually, it feels good.
It
My
does.
hands- and you're right. Like it did smell like alcohol when we first did it, but now that it's done, it doesn't.
It just smells
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah, it smells clean. My hands feel good now.
yeah, mine do too.
Actually, this
It's the
is great.
oil, I think, in it. Yeah.
So, Dollar Tree DIY hand sanitizer. You guys stay safe out there and make sure you're always washing your hands and try not to touch your face. That's the hardest thing
That
I'm
is
trying to
hard.
learn. Don't touch your face, you guys.
It's so hard. Hit that subscribe button.
That way you don't miss any of our videos because we're getting ready to start making a bunch more. Stay safe, y'all. Take care.
Bye.